Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today is Friday, January 27th, 2023, and look what came in today. My new short block. I got it opened up here. Look at that, looks like an engine. I got some other parts over here. I got a new pan, supposed to be a new oil pump in here, and a pickup screen. So let me get everything kind of unboxed here, and we'll see what it looks like. Okay, I got it all out of the packing and everything, and I must say, at first looks here, that thing looks awesome. This company, Carolina Machine, they're up in South Carolina. I'll put their information in the description. They did a super job on this engine. It looks beautiful. You can see how nice it looks. Now this block, because of the rarity of blocks anymore, I couldn't get a 350 Chevy core that they could rebuild for a 71 Corvette. The oldest motor I could get through them, this is an 80 to 85 350, and really the only difference is on mine the dipstick's on the driver's side. On this one the dipstick's going to be down here on the passenger side. So if I was wanting to stay a true numbers matching rebuild car, I would have looked harder and paid more for the original block. But this car is nothing original on it really, so I don't care. I just want a motor that runs good and going to be dependable. And I also got a new pan from them, a new steel pan. Let me find the part number here for you. That's the part number for the pan. I got a new oil pump. That's the part number for the oil pump. And this is the pickup screen for the oil pump and tube. So that's a part number for that. They're both Melling products. Came with the dipstick and also a one-piece Velcro pan gasket. And let me see if I can find the part number on that. Oh, here we go. There it is, Velcro, and there's the part number for it. And that all came with the engine. So the next thing I want to do, I need to get this mounted on my engine stand so I can start cleaning it up, putting the oil pump in, adjusting the pickup screen for that, and tacking it in place so it doesn't move, and then putting the cam and the timing chain and gears in, and the lifter. Well, I won't put the lifters in yet, but I'll get everything ready. I'll put the timing chain cover on, get the oil pan on, and then I can clean it up and paint it. And then after that, we will finish assembling and putting the heads on, putting the rockers in, the lifters, push rods, all that, setting them and everything, and then go from there. So that's what it looks like so far, and like I said, so far I'm very impressed with it.